If you were a girl in your 20s and nagpi-people please ka pa rin, here's a quick advice from the book A Woman's Guide to Power, Unbound. So, sabi sa book, if you're having conversation with someone and may tinanong sa'yo that makes you feel uncomfortable, sabi dito, ask a question back to that person na kausap mo. So, what does this mean? So, I'll give you an example para mas maintindihan nyo yung meaning behind it. So, example natin is may kamag-anak ka, a very close kamag-anak na nangungutang sa'yo, na parang hindi mo mahindian at parang lalamunin ka na sa lupa pag hinindian mo. So that's like the uncomfortable feeling that you have inside na parang ayaw mo mag-no, ayaw mong humindi dun sa request niya na mangutang sa'yo. So let's say you're having conversation with her and tinanong niya sa'yo, pwede ba akong mangutang ng let's say 50,000 pesos sa'yo? And then, of course, yung parang yung instant response natin is like, uncomfortable, like, do I say no? Do I say yes? Parang this people-pleasing feeling na parang, hala, oh my gosh, parang ganon. So, in that scenario, since ikaw ang tinanong niya, yung question ay nasa'yo, it means the spotlight is on you. So, based sa libro, sabi doon, isa sa reason kung bakit you feel uncomfortable kasi yung spotlight is on you since ako ang tinanong niya ng question. So, sa akin yung spotlight. So, ito yung question na parang, pwede ba akong manutang? So, napunta sa akin yung spotlight. And you feel like uncomfortable because nasa yung spotlight tapos yung tanong niya pa is, pwede ba akong mangutang sa'yo? Tapos you feel this like, uncomfortable feeling to like, gusto ko na lang magsabi ng yes sa kanya kasi close naman kami, ganon. Parang nandun na yung people-pleasing part mo sa loob mo. So, in order for you to remove the spotlight from you, batuhan mo siya ng question pabalik para mapunta sa kausap mo yung spotlight. So, how can we do this? Okay, let's say, pwede mong sabihin na lang, ay, kamusta po pala yung anak nyo, si, let's say, Chelsea yung pangalan, or like, let's say, like, para saan po, saan nyo po kailangan, just to like, put the spotlight doon sa kausap mo na nangungutang sa'yo, just to put away the spotlight on. Isa sa dahilan kung ba't you feel uncomfortable is because the spotlight is on you. So, in the book, Unbound, one of the techniques that you can do is to reply with a question back doon sa tanong na uncomfortable for you. Hi, so sorry na putol. I was filming on my phone tapos pop ng full memory na yung phone ko. So, I'll just continue here. So, let's say, ang sagot niya, sa San Benildo na kasi siya mag-aaral eh. Tapos, medyo malaki yung tuition, kanyan-kanyan, etc. And then, or another question back to her hanggang mawala yung parang uncomfortable feeling that you feel inside of you from the question na pwede ba akong mangutang sa'yo? And then the next question na pwede mo ibato sa kanya para nasa sa kanya yung spotlight is, bakit niyo pong piniling doon mag-aral yung anak niyo kung medyo mahal po pala yung tuition? So, let's say, nag-explain kasi ganito, gusto ko maganda na yung school niya, maganda na yung facility, ganyan. And then, habang she's explaining, you can feel na parang umaalis na sa katawan mo yung uncomfortable feeling na naramdaman mo nung tinanong ka niya na pwede ba siyang mangutang. So, pag nawala na yung feeling na uncomfortable or that people-pleasing feeling, then pwede mo nang sabihin na hindi ka makakapagpahiram sa kanya ng pera. So, ayun, to explain this further, the uncomfortable feeling that you experience as a woman sa mga uncomfortable questions na nare-receive mo, isa sa dahilan kung ba't you feel uncomfortable is because the spotlight is on you. So, in the book, Unbound, one of the techniques that you can do is to reply with a question back doon sa tanong na uncomfortable for you. So, ayun, I hope this video helps even though it's short. I really wanted to just film this and just share it agad-agad because I've tried this before and it worked for me and I hope it will work for you as well. So, let me know in the comments if mag-work sa'yo.